And welcome back. Let's head to the courts now, where both Jamaica and Bahamas are brimming with confidence ahead of their crucial showdown in men's basketball World Cup qualifying set for the National Indoor Sports Centre on Thursday. At stake is an historic opportunity to advance to the final round of qualification this summer and book a spot to next year's FIBA Basketball World Cup in Qatar. Daniel McLeod reports.
The stage is set for history as Jamaica gets ready to host its first ever FIBA Basketball World Cup matches at the National Indoor Sports Centre on Thursday against Bahamas and Canada on Sunday. The 87th ranked Jamaicans are currently joint top of Group B on 4 points. Afton Facey is confident the team can win both home fixtures and advance to the final round of World Cup qualifying.
The main goal is to come here and get 2 wins. We're coming out to compete against two really good teams, so the whole objective is to provide some leadership from the experiences that I've had and to pull guys along with me so for us to accomplish our goal. Personal objective, win each game. You know, that puts us in the best position possible to accomplish our overall goal of making it to the World Cup.
Towering centre Kofi Coburn played a pivotal
Our goal is not just to win these games, our goal is to inspire basketball in Jamaica. So coming here and these being the first game, we want to set a good example. We want to make an example and show people that, yo, everything that we're doing right now is coming to fruition and we're going to do it. We're going to make it happen.
Meanwhile, 52nd ranked Bahamas is equally determined. Captain Tavaria Miller says his side is focused and ready for the challenge.
My goal isn't really hard, just get the guys ready to go. At the end of the day, it's basketball. You guys have a really good team in Jamaica. Your organization is going in the right way. They're taking the right steps. I'm happy for you guys, but at the end of the day, it's basketball. So I'm here to lead my guys, and we're coming out here to play hard and get a win.
And despite being ranked 35 places above their Caribbean rivals, Bahamian point guard Frank Miller says they are not underestimating the Jamaicans.
I think it's a pretty good team. They fought well the last window. They got 2 pretty good wins. I think they're not to be taken lightly, and I think the guys who came in and just taking it very seriously and trying to get ready for the game.